Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate what our advanced Google SERP analysis template does. We can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the advanced Google SERP analysis option. Input a keyword or phrase you want to analyze. This flow conducts a deep analysis of Google's search engine results pages, SERPs, for a given keyword, providing insights into the ranking pages, competition, and SEO strategies. It helps you understand how top-ranking pages are structured, what keywords they target, and the overall competitiveness of the SERP. There's a full video on how you can make this flow for your own linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.